Welcome, fellas, to Luke, episode 51. My name is Sunsman. Joining is Reeves. How's it going, big boy?
Good.
No.
Not good.
We have to cast a tournament, apparently. I wasn't told.
Oh.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
No.
I'm really good.
No.
I'm okay.
No. First clip of the week, submitted by Taco. E-support, E-Doto, E-attack tower, E-burrito again.
You mean L? You're
No,
not even doing the
E-fortification,
right.
E-death.
No.
Necesitas limpiar mi casa, Reeves.
Señor
Por favor.
El muy retardo.
El baño. Next clip, submitted by Cushion Sunkiss. We're watching Sweet Girl on this cuddly little bristled. Oh, no.
So cuddly.
All right, I have to say before this is the most embarrassing block I have ever seen. Literally
How
ever.
does that even happen?
I don't know. This looks like a level 1 block.
It's like she showed up and was like, oh, trees, oh, orange, oh, damn
It's
it.
the worst possible positioning possible. Next clip's by Pencil Burner. We usually don't we don't use these clips technically when they're fountain diving, but what's unique about this, right?
It's gotta be the funniest fountain dive I've ever seen, and
It's not even a dive.
Forever.
It's not a dive.
Well, they were diving at me. He's kind of fishing. It's an ocean reference.
Terrible reference. Anyway,
I'm not good at references.
this is an amazing,
You know that.
amazing combination. Like, oh, this is just disgusting. I feel like they need to TP, but I can't remember, and I forgot to check if Meepo nets cancel TP, so the viewers can make fun of us since we don't know. They can TP back to base, like 2 feet away. Next clip's by MC Ganja. We're watching a Tinker trying to get away from a Pudge. Looks like he's gonna get hooked.
Oh!
Oh! Is that Roshan?
Roshan stole his kill.
Oh, bad boy.
That's how you fish for Roshan, evidently.
I don't think he's a fish. Next clip's by Malice. Who we're watching an Axe who wants to disassemble his boots. Okay, that's fine. Put him on the ground.
Sure.
Okay. Oh, he needs to disassemble again, though. Okay.
Sure.
There we go. And the bear starts picking up all his freaking items.
That's not his bear.
So they have to kill it, right? Because it drops all the items. Oh, wait. No. No, you've lost the game for your team. Next goes to my Barbecue Pepe. You're watching. Oh, beautiful, beautiful dust.
Oh, wait. Ghost PL says, fuck off.
So he did a good job of buying the dust. Yeah, I mean, there's literally no excuse for this, except for being Pepe. Next up to my Turkson. We're watching. This is an amazing one, Reese. Just watch Timbersaw chasing the Rubik. It's gonna be the longest
he's got
chase.
hooks for days.
Yeah, he actually does a pretty good job grappling. Yep, not quite there yet. Okay, misses again. It's okay. You got plenty more opportunities to catch him.
Let me kill you.
Okay, and Rubik is continuing. Oh, one more. You got it. Oh, that is the most delayed, awful reaction I've ever seen.
One more.
Embarrassing. Next clip's one by Skullbone. Ooh,
this is we haven't done CK in a while.
Senor Sonorita.
I'm just hanging out, chilling. Oh, you bitches forgot, didn't you? Oh, hell yeah, you best run.
I have invisibility, Mako Verde.
Oh, you bet.
We good. Moko
invisible,
Verde.
gerbil ass looking motherfucker, where you at?
Invisibility. Uh-oh. I attack you. Oh, no. Burrito! Burrito! No. Next clip's by Madcap. We're watching another Lich one. Oh, he's in a lot of trouble. Oh, no.
His name is Madcap. It's like Madcap, but it's different.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
yeah. Oh.
Oh, luckiest bounces ever.
Amazing karma. That guy saved baby Jesus in the past life, no doubt
If I had done that, it would have hit every single creep.
Indeed.
Extra times, as if I had an axe, even if I didn't.
You know the creeps are mostly his team. Anyway, next clip's by IZN. Here we're watching a Wisp.
Oh, yeah.
TP's in the middle of the map. 10 seconds to go. Uses his Earn Charge offensively. God, this is exciting. This is so exciting. But wait for it, Reeves.
He knows what he's doing.
Oh, that's the new hero. There, he's good.
Bloop,
What could possibly go wrong here?
bloop, bloop, bloop.
Watch out! Oh! Now, in a very dramatic, cinematic fashion, brought to you by Neil.
Is it rewinding?
No, yeah, this is a replay. This is Transformer style.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
Alright, where does the blood come from? I need to know the answer to this, so somebody in the comments tell me.
Inside of Io there is blood.
So much blood.
Anyway, thanks for watching Fails of the Week, episode 51. My name is Sunsman, joining me is Reeves. Be sure to sign up for the tournament. Oh, wait, you can't because it's full, but look forward to watching that later. Okay, Tara, bye.
Casting.